Hey, hi guys, I'm Naval Yamil here. So in this video, we are going to see about filters in Power BI. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and please watch all the previous videos. So filter comes with three different types. First is filter on this page. You can see filter on this page. Second is filter on all pages. But when you click on any of the visual, for example, if I click on the column chart, you get three types of filters. One is filter on this visual. So if you want to apply something, that will apply the filter only on this visual. And second type of filter is filter on this page. So whatever filter we are applying, that will be applied throughout this page. That is second type. And the third type is filters on all pages. Suppose if you have 2 3 pages you have created and you have created some visuals here, and if you are using a filter like filter on all the pages will be filtered. Okay, so let me take one or two visuals here also. So let me take product with profit. This is a table. Now let me take a segment with units sold and put that into a pie chart. Yeah, I have taken it here. Let me come to the third page. Let me take a tree map with the country and profit. So here you can see that which country is having the highest profit, which country is having the lowest profit. You can see that. Or you can take a unit sold by looking at the rectangle box size. You can see that which is the highest and which is the lowest. Okay, so I have taken country with profit. Let me take a different chart like a line chart here, taking a date and a sales amount in that. Okay, yeah. So now let us apply the filters, the three types of filters. Suppose if you're taking the first type, that is filter on this visual. Now we have the 2 years data here, 2013 and 2014. Just I'll put that into a focus mode. And here you can see filter on this visual. Automatically it is showing that, hey, do you want to filter something based on the date, on the month, quarter, or the year, or do you want to do some filtering based on the sum of the sales? You can see sum of the sales. That is why it is showing you all this, because we have added that in the x-axis and y-axis. Suppose my requirement is, hey, I want to check the sales only for 2014. Can I do that? Yeah. So you can just go to here. Once you click here, here you have the filter type. So inside that, again, there are three types of filtering. One is basic filtering, one is advanced filtering, and the third is top end filter. So let me go to basic first. Basic filtering. It is showing you 2 years data, that is 2013 and 14. Suppose I want to filter out only 2014. So you can just 2014. Now your visual is filtered only to the year 2014. So you can see this visual is showing you the details of 2014. You can do in this way. We will discuss on these two, like what is top end and advanced feature. Let us wait for a minute. Suppose if you don't want, if you want to clear the filters, you can just click on this eraser, clear filter. It will automatically go. Okay. Now your requirement would be, no, I want to like add this filter, like I want to check all this on the year 2014, but I want to apply the filter on this page, but there are no fields here. No worries, you need to add a fields here and then apply the filter. So take a date and just put it on this filter on this page. So it is showing you basic filtering, and you can tick the dates, but that is not possible by taking all the dates here. We need the date in the hierarchical format. So okay, so let us apply filters on this page by I am not able to see the hierarchical dates here. Let us do advanced filtering here. So let me show you how advanced filtering work. So once you go to the advanced filter, here you can see that it is asking you like show items when the value is or is not or is after, is on or after, is before and is blank and not blank and so on. So actually I am going to use show the items in the value that is after a particular date. So I have 2013 and 14. So let me select the date like a year that should be after 31st December 2013. So after 31st December 2013, and let me click on apply. Here you can see, yeah, I'm getting all the this all page or this complete page is filtered with the year 2014. Okay, so this is how your advanced filtering works. So let me clear all this. Now suppose if you want to have a filter, like I want to see only on the country, let me just see, yeah. So I have different countries here. I want to do the analysis based on only 4 countries. I don't want to take a France country in this, so I need to apply the filter that I do not want the France. I want to apply that throughout the page, throughout the report, like all pages. So let me take country and put that into all pages. So once I take that into all pages, it will by default showing a basic filtering. Now I want all the results except the France. So you can select all and you can untick the France from this. So once you untick France, now you can see France is not at all visible in this pie chart also. And if you come here, you cannot see any France. So these all data is related to 4 countries except France. Similarly, you can see here there is no France data on this tree map also. So this is how the basic filtering works. So let me just recap. So filter works in 3 types: filter on this or filter on any particular visual, filter on this page or this complete page, and the third type of filter is filter on all pages. That can be done. In filtering, there are again filter types. One is basic, second is advanced, and third is top n. When you are taking a numerical value, then you get a top n filter. So let me show you how top n filter works. In the next video, I'll show you that. Thank you for watching, guys. So if you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning. Thank you.